Are you looking for the best automotive multimeters? In your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best automotive multimeters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Innova 3340 Auto Multimeter. This best automotive multimeter is purely made for professionals. We loved it due to its features and durable outer material which made it hefty enough to survive auto workshops' wear and tear environments. It's specially designed for long-lasting efficient performance when used for cars and other vehicles. As you know well that when we connect a multimeter to any circuit it affects it to some extent. We can't take risk of using high-impedance multimeters for sensitive automotive circuits. For this purpose, only low-impedance meters like this Innova 3340 automotive digital multimeters can assure the safety of car electric systems like engine control units and fuel injectors. What an amazing function is when you get it in an accurate multimeter for car. For automotive uses, RPM is an important testing parameter. An inductive RPM clamp is included in package, through which RPM of any vehicle in a range of 0 to 10,000 can be tested. Up next in the 4th place is the Power Probe Car Diagnostic Test Tool. We know the needs of professional auto electricians and mechanics. In automotive use, there are not only amps, volts, and resistance type parameters to be checked, but mechanics also have to analyze fuel injector performance, computer driver circuits, and other electric systems. For that purpose a general auto voltage tester would not be a suitable choice. Only a diagnostic tool like this Probe 1 volt can serve well. It's a complete package to troubleshoot advanced auto circuits. It allows testing if the car's motor, fan, relays and lights working properly or not. You can check the condition of computer circuits which power solenoids, lights and other automotive equipment. As we say, it comes with a complete package of automotive testing. So here is proof of this, like fuel injector examination. By this test, auto technicians can check injector pulse on time in milliseconds, through which they can analyze injector performance and can compare readings to values given in specs sheet. It's another unique diagnostic test to check the condition of circuits. By applying it you can check any circuit's weak spots, faulty wiring, and weak connectors. So this amazing test gives us that data which we can have through a general voltage check. The 3rd product on our list is the Autel AutoLink AL539 OBD2 Scanner Car Diagnostic Tool. Autel Alabama 539 is another best automotive multimeter that comes with an additional OBD2 scanner and other car testing tools. It can identify circuit faults, can diagnose the electrical system, cranking status, and charging system. It's all in one package that would certainly be liked by trained auto mechanics and automobile engineers. Along with electric testing, it also can give your car's emission status, cause of check engine light indication, and many other checkups. It covers all the modern cars and vehicles made after 1996. Also having smart auto VIN technology to identify vehicles. It performs circuits tests well to inform you about the condition of DC and AC voltage, continuity, solenoids, sensors, wiring, and power status. All test live results are shown on its colored LCD with proper easy-to-understand infographics. In this test you can assess whether the battery is giving proper starting voltage to vehicle starter or not, current, cranking status, and ignition system. You may also check charging current status of your car or other vehicles. This test will diagnose the system and gives result whether it is normal, low output, high output, and excessive ripple. Second on our list is the BSIDE Deluxe Best Auto Voltmeter. We set strict criteria to select best multimeters for this list. We know the requirements and essential parameters of automotive field and make sure that all products in this list should have related functions. This BSIDE Deluxe Automotive DMM is specifically designed with low impedance, 10 megaohm, for the safety of automotive circuits and equipment. You can test RPM and temperature as well with help of probe extensions included in the package. It comes with a set of alligator clips for hands-free operations, K-type thermocouple, inductive pickup, and a supportive carrying bag for easy traveling. The thing we most want after accuracy and versatile functionalities is Multimeter's body safety measures and durability. We were satisfied to see a protective holster around meter body which gives it extra protection against sudden falls from height. Finally, the top product on our list is the BSIDE ACM91 car electrical tester. Now comes the BSIDE handy automotive multimeter with a slim ergonomic design. It can ideally fit into your hand so you may check both horizontal and vertically aligned vehicle circuits and devices comfortably. We liked its unique design and handling experience, which is different from common design multimeters available in the market. Despite its lower price, they don't compromise over material and shape characteristics. It allows you to check voltage, current with 1 mA sensitivity, capacitance and temperature with low impedance mode, which makes it perfect for automotive use. Built-in back clip is very useful for field electricians, so they can hang it to their uniform while moving somewhere. The presence of TRMS sensing guarantees that you'll get accurate results. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.